Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I am Kushi Shetty here with the latest news. Hamas responded to the Gaza Truce plan today in Egypt. Hamas, designated a terrorist group by several nations, will respond to Israel's ceasefire proposal in Egypt, aiming for a lasting peace. So about this Hamas response announcement, a senior Hamas official revealed that the group plans to deliver its response to Israel's latest ceasefire proposal on Monday. That is basically today in Egypt. Khalil al-Hayya will lead the Hamas delegation during a meeting with Egyptian intelligence officials to present their response. Israel's proposal reportedly includes discussions on restoring sustainable calm after the release of hostages. Another Hamas source expressed openness to the discussing the proposal positively, emphasizing Hamas' desire for a permanent ceasefire, prisoner exchanges, as well as an end to the Gaza siege. So, key facts about this Gaza Strip. It's located in the eastern Mediterranean, bordered by Egypt in the southwest, as well as Israel in the northeast, with the Mediterranean Sea to the west. It's highly populated, it's home to over 2 million people in a really small area. Open air prison. It's a term used to describe Gaza due to restricted access by sea as well as encirclement by walls on the three sides. Border crossings. Kerem Abu Salem as well as Erez crossings controlled by Israel, Rafah crossing controlled by Egypt. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.